What is up, you guys? It is Parker here with Deco Exchange. Y'all, we've got another great tutorial out today, and I just wanted to remind you guys to subscribe to our channel, like the video down below, and at the very least, y'all, leave us a comment and let us know what you think. Hope you enjoy.
Y'all, we're gonna cut these at 20 inches. We're gonna need 12 of them. All right, y'all, we're still working with those 3 bases that we made the other night. So this is a 14-inch base, 6 pipe cleaners around the top, 6 around the bottom. We used 21-inch mesh to add 10-inch poofs all the way around. Now we're gonna take our 20-inch cuts and add them all the way around the base. All right, so we're gonna add these ruffles right around the base. All right, your ruffles should just touch. All right, we got all the mesh around the bottom. All right, we're gonna keep adding our ruffles. All right, let's get our sign out. Look how cute. So we're gonna find our bag of mounting squares, our new bottle of glue, gonna add our 4 daps of super glue. All right, so we got our glue on there. Just need that to dry real quick. All right, we're gonna grab our 4 pipe cleaners. Twist that off. We got all 4 of our sign on there. Let's pick a spot on the wreath. I'm gonna go right here with it. And we're just gonna work those pipe cleaners right through the mesh and tie them down to our frame. All right, I like to do opposite sides first. So I'm doing this one down here. So I'm gonna go straight across and tie the top one. All right, now to keep my sign from swaying to the outside, I'm gonna come over here and grab that pipe cleaner and pull it all the way across and attach it to this side of the frame. All right. All right, y'all, now we're gonna grab our ribbon. Y'all, I'm gonna start with a 12-inch tail on this end. The sign only comes in one color. Get it twisted off. We're gonna measure out about 6.5. All right, so we're gonna do 3 loops on both sides of this one. Okay, so we have 3 that are identically the same. They're about 6.5 inches on both sides. Now we're gonna go with 2 on each side, just slightly smaller. All right, now we're gonna do 1 ribbon or 1 loop on both sides, slightly smaller. Need some scissors to cut that other tail. Get that in half, get our bow off here. Get a little tight grip on it and twist it off. Look how nice this bow is. I love the Swiss dots. Figure out what we're gonna do with this little sloth here. Yo, I've been having these around since I decorated my Christmas tree, and I've been wanting to use them. So I'm thinking this sloth might get his own tree branch. So I'm gonna work it down through the frame. All right, now where it's touching underneath the frame, I'm gonna zip tie it. Y'all, now I wanna grab some of this branch and pull it down so that I can twist it into the pipe cleaners that are already there. All right. So y'all, I twisted those branches down into the pipe cleaners so that they wouldn't be sticking out this way and all over the place. All right, now I'm thinking I'm gonna go one the other direction as well. So I'm gonna do the same thing, but the other direction now. Y'all, this one, I want the branches to be able to hang down towards the bottom of the wreath. So I'm gonna bend it back so that it hugs, and then just zip tie that branch right to the frame. All right, on this side, I am going to secure it in a little bit, but I want the branches to be a little bit more free, because they're just drooping down the side of the wreath. So y'all, it looks a little bit crazy right now, but it's one of those things where we have to trust the process. So I'm gonna grab my bow now, and I'm gonna add that bow right into this little divot area that we made. All right, y'all, we're gonna stretch that bow out a little bit, get some of those loops pulled down and around. All right, see how we open that bow up? Now, one thing that I'm missing is no ribbon tails coming this way. So I wanna bring a little bit of ribbon out that way. Y'all, to do that, I'm just gonna grab a piece of ribbon. All right, I'm gonna make a little fake loop like so. Fold it over. And I'm gonna add this into one of these twist ties down this way. There's not a twist tie available, but there is a little spot that I can zip tie it in. Y'all, I'm literally zip tying that ribbon to one of the branches. Y'all, and then I'm just gonna take that excess ribbon, I'm gonna pinch it off about right here, and I'm gonna fold it over and add it right into another twist tie. See how we did that? All right, dovetail these. All right, now what I want to do is add a little bit of flowers. And then, all right, I can fill that stem all the way around the back. So I'm gonna add a zip tie back there to hold it in place. So you can see where we're going with that. Now we want to keep building out that flower piece so that it looks like it all goes together. This one, I don't want to forget about the bow. I want to make sure I bring some of those flowers through this part. All right, see, I've got this nice and spread out. So I'm gonna go right behind the bow layer and do my best to work it in here between all the stuff that's already there. All right, y'all, that one, I'm just gonna hot glue right there. With this piece that we cut off, I'm gonna trim this down a little bit and get this nice and fluffed out. All right, this one, I wanna go right on the inside of that bow. So that way it looks like it's kind of coming out of the bow. For this one, we're gonna add our hot glue again and just glue this flower right into the center of all of our ribbon. See how this side looks a little sad? Now look at it over here. Look how fun. But now we gotta go down. Now I'm gonna add this one right down here. There's gonna be more branches than flowers. That's okay. This one, we're gonna get some more hot glue on there. Get it right in that little spot. Tuck it in. Look how cute. It's wild. It's definitely an eye poker. It's my favorite kind. Look how cute that is.